guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tiamo. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know what to do. Anyways, so as you saw on the title, guys, this is gonna be a weekly vlog, and this is day one, which is Monday. Yes, I started the vlog late, and yeah, sorry, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna like clean around the dining room and the sitting room because it's quite dirty, and then I'm gonna get ready for going to my friend and studying. So, yeah, enough of the talking, just vibe with me, guys, that's how far I got with the cleaning, and I am going to take a shower. And yeah, I'll quickly show you what I'll be wearing today. It's just a simple cozy outfit for studying, and yeah, you're gonna see what's in my tote bag, meaning like I'm gonna pack up my tote bag with you guys. And then what else? Yeah, I'm done. I'm practically done with everything. I'm just gonna bath change, and then head out to my friend's house so that we can study. So I'll get you guys there. I'm not gonna film on the way because I'm saving battery. So yeah, let's just stay tuned for more. Okay, so guys, this is my tote bag. Sorry for that. This is my tote bag. I got it from Mr. Price, and yeah, it was ranging for 60 rands. This is my glass case, my headsets, my purse, my diary, and whatever. So I'm gonna take, because I have to study for economics, I'm gonna take my pencil case, my student planner book. I'm not taking the notebook, I'm leaving it behind. And yeah, this is my Bible and whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna take my economics book, right? Then and also I have to finish my business study assignment. I'm gonna take this also, and yeah, I'm gonna take my economics textbook, which is in my school bag. Yeah, this is just it. And then a bottle of water with lemon, I think, and yeah. And my, yeah, that's that. Yeah. So that's it for the cleaning up and whatever. I'll see you guys once I get to my friend's house. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and see you guys in a bit. In the kitchen, we're still like a stir fry. Hold your pants down. Hey, yo, before I get copyright. Hey, never. Why? For give me think it's a good bad. Research. Ska ba tlontina we ska ba tlontong khang ka ke thaka. I have data, Liz. How? King. Lona le qeta go go sebedisa di Wi-Fi. Ha tle le reke data, le qeta le reke di data, ntse le re lo tletsa le fitla hae. Ka di Wi-Fi tsa bolo. A ke stinch wa lona ke lona ba stinch. Heso e teng Wi-Fi mara ke etsa mo. Ke reka data. Guys, wait, let me show you this. So guys, this is this is what I'm eating. The sofa is eating this ugly little shits. But yeah, yeah, that's that. So we're heading back home now. And nothing, but we are heading home. Hey yo, bookstore. Hey my boy, I missed you.
Machine is outside, machine is not roughing. A time is no complaining. A time complaining. Machine tell it to complain. I don't really complain.
Ne?
A time is machine. Me, I don't rope it.
Yes.
Machine.
Tell the people you don't rob.
Never. Machine.
This side come, ne? All is good.
No, I don't do it.
It will rest. Kiss stabilo, it works. It will rest. Remember what again too? When no mangoes or mangoes. Ngubani mangoes or mangoes. Ngo try langwe. Matras. That's from the to nourish and I don't know what your skin. And it's not just anything Okay guys, it's currently late now and as you can see, I'm tired. I'm gonna study again tomorrow, but yeah, it's late. If I switch off the ring light, you'll see that it's late really, and I'm not gonna do that. Okay, let me do it. Like guys, it's late. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Oh, I already said that, yo. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and tell your friends to tell your friends and their friends also. And please don't forget to follow me on any of my social media platforms, which is TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And you'll see the links down in the description box below. And also hit that post note bell notification in order to get notified every single time I post a new video. And from me to you, I'm out. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.